We've just seen that oxides are binary compounds. They can be acidic, basic, amphoteric, or neutral. Now let's take these one after the other and see exactly how different they are from each other. Acidic oxides are oxides of non-metals. Acidic oxides are oxides of non-metals. So just as you know, an element is going to occupy the first slot, and then oxygen is going to occupy the second slot. Now the element occupying this first slot here should be a non-metal. Once the element occupying this slot here is a non-metal, we get an acidic oxide. Once the element occupying this first slot here is a non-metal, we get an acidic oxide. Okay. Now we know that on the periodic table, metals are found on the left. And then as you move to the right, you encounter non-metals. Now over here, the oxides of non-metals are the one indicated in this blue color here. So if any of these elements exists as the cation attached to oxygen, then we have an acidic oxide, because these elements here are non-metals. These elements here are non-metals. So if they exist as the cations attached to oxygen, we get an acidic oxide. Now, why are they called acidic oxides? They are called acidic oxides because they neutralize bases to form salt and water. They are called acidic oxides because they neutralize bases to form salt and water. So in this case, we have carbon dioxide. Carbon is a non-metal. Since it is a non-metal, that means it is an acidic oxide. It combines with sodium hydroxide, which is a base. After combining with sodium hydroxide, we're going to get sodium carbonate, which is a salt. Sodium carbonate, which is a salt. And then we get water here. Okay, so carbon dioxide combines with sodium hydroxide to give us sodium carbonate and water. Also, they are called acidic oxides because when in solution, the solution becomes acidic. When you put an acidic oxide in solution, the solution becomes acidic. Here we have sulfur dioxide. If we put sulfur dioxide in water, we're going to get this acid here. Okay, we're going to get this acid here. So sulfur dioxide plus water is going to produce an acid. So acidic oxides are called that because 1, they neutralize bases to form salt and water. And then 2, they produce acidic solutions when they react with water. Acidic oxides are oxides of non-metals.